Hello guys. In Microsoft Outlook 2016, you face the Outlook constantly indexing. To do this, you just need to go to Start, then on the Search tab, click Search tab and type services.msc. Press enter. Services window will be open. Just scroll down and find Windows search option. In Windows search option, right click, select properties. In properties, first you need to disable startup type. In startup type, click disable, then stop running services. After stop servicing, click apply, then OK. To start again, just right click, then properties, startup type, enable that services to automatic. Click apply, then start the services. Click OK, close this tab and close your Microsoft Outlook and reopen.